Hi all, I am Praveen Sonavne. You are watching India's most reliable and relevant educational channel where you get best in class study material and video lectures. Do check the links in the description box. So we are going to start with the second type of bond, that is the covalent bond. I will urge you all to please watch my first part before watching this part for a better understanding of this chapter. So covalent bond, the word co means sharing. Earlier we saw the electrovalent bond. They were formed by transfer of electron, but here co means sharing bond. Okay, or they are also known as molecular bond because the end product will be the molecule. We will start with the example of hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen have one electron. In covalent bonds, compounds are formed by sharing of the electrons. Electron in the last shell, and chlorine has 7 electrons in the last shell. So they come together and they share this electron and they form a compound called hydrogen chloride. So this is shared pair of electron. There is another way also to represent a shared pair of electron, that is dash. So this is how we can write. Remember, this dash means 2 electrons or a shared pair of electrons. This dash, one dash is equivalent to a shared pair of electrons. End product is a molecule of hydrogen chloride. Molecule, so molecular bond. What do we see is that it is formed between non-metal and non-metal. Hydrogen is non-metal and chlorine is also non-metal. Earlier in electrovalent bond we have seen that it is formed between a metal and a non-metal. So first characteristic feature of the covalent bond is it is formed between non-metal and non-metal. Here we saw elemental hydrogen and elemental chlorine. Both the elements were different, but we can also have same element. Like hydrogen will share electron with the another hydrogen and will form the hydrogen molecule, that is H2. What is the aim of the hydrogen? To attain the duplet. So this hydrogen or first hydrogen has a duplet in its lone shell and the other hydrogen also have a duplet in the other cell. So the objective of attaining a duplet is attained by both the hydrogens. So one line I already have told you कि shared electron can be represented by a single line. So this is the outline or the frame or the structure of the molecular bond. Let's have the in-depth knowledge of this molecular or covalent bond. As we have discussed, a covalent bond is a chemical bond formed due to mutual sharing, mutual sharing of electrons between a given pair of non-metallic elements. Pair मतलब दो non-metallic elements. So both the elements are non-metal and non-metal is called the covalent bond. And when you write covalent bonds, there are certain rules which we require to follow. A chemical bond is formed between non-metal and non-metal. Then number of electrons required is equal to number of electrons contributed. काफ़ी सारे एग्जाम्पल्स लेकर हम ये अंडरस्टैंड करने वाले हैं कि मॉलिक्यूलर बॉन्ड में ऑलवेज नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर. अभी अभी हम लोगों ने देखा हाइड्रोजन, उसको एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए था तो उसने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर किया. इफ इट रिक्वायर्स 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन देन इट विल शेयर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. And if it requires 3 electrons, it will share 3 electrons. So number of electrons required is equal to number of electrons shared. Sir, please explain this in detail. No problem. Let us see. अभी हमने देखा hydrogen has 1 electron in the last shell. Its objective is to attain the duplet. So इसको एक और चाहिए. अगर उसको एक और चाहिए तो वो दूसरे हाइड्रोजन के साथ में उस इलेक्ट्रॉन को शेयर करेगा. So they will form हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल बाय शेयरिंग अ इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो एक चाहिए था ड्यूप्लेट के लिए तो उसने एक शेयर किया. लेट अस सी ऑक्सीजन, 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन द लास्ट शेल. सो हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इट रिक्वायर टू कंप्लीट द ऑक्टेट? दैट इज 2. सो इट विल शेयर pair of electrons. The another oxygen 1 2 3 4 5 6, and rule says that the electrons which are shared are returned toward the plus side. When they pair with one another, see these two pairs of electrons are shared, and this other four electrons, two lone pairs, 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. Now look at this electron. It has satisfied its objectives of octet, that is 8 electrons in the last shell, and another oxygen has 8 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and we have an oxygen molecule. So we can also say that oxygen has double bond with the another oxygen. If you want to represent lone pair, we can represent this as a lone pair also. So oxygen and oxygen forms a double bond between them. Let's take the third example of nitrogen. Nitrogen has 5 electrons in the last shell. Do you understand 5 electrons? 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So it wants 3 more electrons to complete the octet, to attain the stability. So ये 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन अगर उसको चाहिए तो उसको 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को शेयर करना पड़ेगा. So this nitrogen will share 3 electrons, and as per rule अगर उसको 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को शेयर करना है तो उस 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को हमको लिखना पड़ेगा टुवर्ड द प्लस साइड. ये या तो आप ऊपर लिखो या राइट साइड में लिखो, दैट डजंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस. या ऊपर लिखा था तो यहाँ पर भी ऊपर लिखते. ओके, नाउ व्हाट, दिस नाइट्रोजन एंड दिस नाइट्रोजन हैव शेयर्ड 3 pairs ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, and ये lone pair, let me write it over here. So look at this nitrogen, इसने अपना octet का objective satisfy कर लिया है. 6 plus 2 is 8, and this another nitrogen also have 8 electrons in the last shell. तो I can definitely say दोनों nitrogen ने ट्रिपल बॉन्ड फॉर्म किया. सो नाइट्रोजन एंड नाइट्रोजन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड and lone pair of electron, I can write it here. This is N2, a molecule, nitrogen molecule, diatomic molecule. Again I will urge कि foundation, how to learn chemistry fearlessly, ये मेरा foundation वाला वीडियो लेक्चर है, उसको ज़रूर देखना. केमिस्ट्री प्लेलिस्ट का सबसे पहला वीडियो. So in this way we can say hydrogen and hydrogen forms a single bond, oxygen and oxygen forms a double bond, and nitrogen forms a triple bond. And 8 dash is equivalent to, and 1 dash is equivalent to 2 electrons or the shared electrons. Both are one and the same. Both are one and the same. तो ये जो है, ये डैश जो है वो है शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Pair of electrons are very important. This is shared pair of electron. If we want to represent unshared pair of electrons, so they are known as lone pair of electrons. Very important in a chemical reaction. In a forthcoming class, this lone pair is going to play a very important role. This is H2, this is O2, and this is N2. मैंने अपने फाउंडेशन कोर्स में बताया देर आर 7 एलिमेंट्स विच आर इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ अ ड्यूप्लेट. और उसको याद कैसे रखेंगे? तो ऑनेस्ट, HONEST, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन एंड नाइट्रोजन, ड्यूप्लेट, फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन एंड आयोडीन, ये सारे के सारे मॉलिक्यूल्स मैंने अपने फाउंडेशन वाले वीडियो लेक्चर में बताया. देर आर 7 एलिमेंट्स विच आर डायटमिक. वो हमेशा साथ में रहते हैं, डबल डबल पेयर में रहते हैं. दैट इज हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन. इसको याद कैसे रखेंगे? हॉनेस्ट एंड फर्स्ट क्लास बिरयानी आई एट. हॉनेस्ट एंड फर्स्ट क्लास बिरयानी आई एट. तो ये सारे के सारे डायटमिक है. एंड ओजोन, O3 इज ट्राइएटमिक. बट हाइड्रोजन फॉर्म करता है सिंगल बॉन्ड, ऑक्सीजन फॉर्म करता है डबल बॉन्ड, और नाइट्रोजन फॉर्म करता है ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन सिंगल बॉन्ड, ऑक्सीजन, ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड, नाइट्रोजन एंड नाइट्रोजन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. In examination, this question is very important and very frequent कि how many shared pair of electron does these molecules have? So this molecule has one pair of electron which is shared. I have told you already, 1 dash is equal to 2 electrons. So this has one pair of shared electron. Oxygen and oxygen has 2 pairs of electron which are shared, and here 3 pairs of electrons which are shared. And they also ask you unshared pair of electrons or lone pair of electrons. मतलब शेयरिंग के बाद बचे हुए इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो हाइड्रोजन में तो कुछ नहीं बचा, बट अगर ऑक्सीजन देखेंगे तो ऑक्सीजन के लास्ट शेल में देयर आर 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, सो 2 आर शेयर्ड, सो रिमेनिंग आर 4. सो फर्स्ट अनशेयर्ड पेयर और अ लोन पेयर, सेकेंड लोन पेयर. वैसे ही यहाँ पर भी 2 लोन पेयर है. तो इन ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल्स देयर आर 1 2 3 4 लोन पेयर. व्हाट अबाउट नाइट्रोजन? नाइट्रोजन के लास्ट शेल में 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, सो 3 आर यूज्ड हियर एंड 2 आर रिमेनिंग हियर एज वेल एज हियर. Okay, so how many unshared or a lone pair of electron nitrogen molecule has? So nitrogen molecule has this one pair and this another pair, so 2 lone pairs. So exam के लिए ये बहुत important है, shared pair of electron or unshared pair of electron. You can rewind and see this lecture. Super easy. Let us continue. Point number 3, contributed electron is toward the plus sign. Yes sir, we already know this. Then fourth point, after bonding, electrons present in the center of the atoms belong to both the atoms. तो if we are writing about the hydrogen bond, तो ये share किया इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो ये किसको बिलोंग करता? आफ्टर शेयरिंग बोथ ऑफ देम आर इक्वल ओनर ऑफ दिस शेयर्ड पेयर. दोनों एलिमेंट का इस शेयर्ड पेयर के ऊपर बराबर हक होता है. ओके, बोथ आर इक्वल ओनर. ओके, सो आफ्टर बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स present in the center of atoms belong to both the atoms. And last and very important point, single bond, 2 electrons. Single bond has 2 electrons. I have repeated this several times. Single bond means 2 electrons. Double bond means 4 electrons. And triple bond means 3 shared pair of electrons. Single bond, 2 electrons. Double bond, 4 electrons are involved. And in triple bond 6 electrons are involved.